Welcome to the first edition of our, once again, remote chemistry classroom. For you silver kids, the first thing you need to do is you've done everything that I'm going to do in this video. At least you've seen it before. If you didn't get it, it might be good to watch it again. If you did get it and you're already done with the assignment, I just need you to take this quiz. It's a reaction balancing quiz. It looks like that. Click on that, take it. I think you can take it twice if you'd like to. You purple kids, purple, you get to do that at the end of this week. Get into its learning and sign that up. So silver kids, if you are good and you know everything done this week, you're welcome to quit right now. Purple kids, keep watching. Here we go. I'm just going to go over these slides right here. It's the week 13 overview slides. So they got page 13 and page 14 notes, and there's a PHET link there. And I'll probably make another video to show you that, because I think I've only got 4 minutes. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open those slides. Here they are. You have a foldable to do. You're not going to get the foldable. You can print it. It is there. You can print it and put it in your notebook, or you can just copy the notes. But these notes need to get on page 13 of your notebook. These are the slides that are available to you to show you what you need to do and all that stuff. So you got 3 things to do online. These notes, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all say page 13 notes. Those are the foldables notes. If you're not going to print the foldable, I need you to copy those into your notebook on page 13. On page 14, there's 3 of them here. All right, I'm going to go over this one for a second. Protons and neutrons found in the nucleus. I know you know that, but you learned that in 8th grade. You've slept since then. So protons, neutrons each weigh 1 atomic mass unit. It's because we don't want to say they weigh 1.67 times 10 to the negative 27th kilograms, which is terrible. But I can do math with 1. Electrons, even though protons weigh 1, electrons are still 0, because if you put 1 divided by 1800 in your calculator, you're going to get something really, really close to 0. So we just don't even count electrons. Atoms, ions, isotopes. Notice that the only thing different is this middle row right here. I just need you to absorb that. Protons equals electrons, or protons don't equal electrons. That's atoms and ions. Different neutrons is isotopes, and we'll talk about that here in a minute. This table is extremely important. I needed to get this as right as you can get it. Atomic number is the number of protons. The protons plus neutrons equals the mass. P, or P plus, is protons. E, or E minus, is electrons. N is neutrons. All right. So you need to fill out this table. Let me get out of this and get to the table. This table will change colors as you get things right. So what I need you to do is I need you to go to a periodic table and say B is number 5, B is number 5, and the atomic number is always a number of protons. So I'm going to fix that. The mass is protons plus neutrons. So here's protons 5, neutrons 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Electrons. Electrons is protons minus charge. So when you do this, protons 5, charge is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And when you do that, it all turns green. As you go through this, you should turn the whole thing green, except for maybe that one. I forget which one, but I screwed up the formula. So there might be one that stays white there. But everything else will turn green. I do want you to notice that there are more tabs. There are 4 tabs. The only way to get good at this is to do it. So please practice on it. If you're stuck, let me know. Shoot me an email. We can meet. We can converse via email, whatever. I'm going to fix this so I don't. Okay. That's all I've got for this right now. I'll make another video showing you how to do the PHET. Thank you.